Are you struggling with imposter syndrome in your business? Do you ever feel like a fraud, like you don't really know what you're doing, or that any moment now someone's going to find out? If so, then this video is for you.
And shorts.
First of all, know that you're not alone. Many successful entrepreneurs and business people struggle with imposter syndrome, myself included. It's a really normal feeling, but it doesn't have to hold you back. How do you overcome imposter syndrome? Well, here are 5 techniques that I found helpful throughout my career. Technique number 1, reframe your thinking. Instead of focusing on what you don't know, focus on what you do know. Recognize that you have unique skills and experiences that make you really valuable, and that you don't have to know everything to be successful. Technique number 2, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and treat yourself like you would treat a friend who's going through the same thing. Don't beat yourself up feeling like you're a fraud, but rather acknowledge the feeling and move past it. Technique number 3, focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Write down your successes and remind yourself of them when you start to feel like a fraud. You've achieved a lot. Give yourself a pat on the back. You really need to celebrate those achievements. Technique number 4, get some feedback from others. Look to mentors, colleagues or friends who can provide a different perspective and give you constructive feedback on your strengths and areas for improvement. Getting feedback is the best way of growing and getting the best out of yourself. Technique number 5, take action. Despite the fear, sometimes the best way to overcome imposter syndrome is to simply take action and prove to yourself that you are really capable. Break down your goals into small achievable steps and take action on them one by one. Now, I hope that was of use. Now, thanks for watching this. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe for practical advice and inspiration. And if you are struggling with imposter syndrome, remember that you're not alone, and that with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome it.